Are you curious about turning your YouTube videos into SEO-friendly blog posts automatically while simultaneously cranking out high-engagement clips for social media? Stick with me for the next few minutes and I will walk you through a powerful workflow I use that does the heavy lifting for you. This system watches your channel, grabs the transcript, spins an SEO-optimized blog post, and dumps a draft into Google Docs and WordPress. On top of that, it hands your long video over to Vizard to auto-extract the best short clips and get them scheduled across your socials. If this is the first time you are seeing me, hey, I am Ryan and I love making AI work for creators so we can spend less time on tedious repurposing. First, let's talk mindset. Because AI isn't magic that replaces everything overnight, but it is an incredible turbocharger for your workflow. The goal is to automate the boring parts like monitoring, scraping transcripts, and drafting copy while you save your energy for the human touch. I personally like building this automation in Make.com because it is visual, flexible, and plays nicely with the tools you probably already use. The pattern remains the same regardless of your platform. You trigger on a new video, scrape the transcript, and then push that to an LLM to generate your post. For the Clipper tool, Vizard is my go-to because it actually understands the content moments and provides a usable content calendar. Step 1 is watching the channel, where you set up a YouTube trigger in your automation tool to monitor for new uploads. Make sure your YouTube connection is authorized so your automation platform can actually read the metadata of your latest uploads. Step 2 is getting that transcript, which can be done easily with services like Dumpling AI or Appify to scrape the text. The key detail here is using the video ID dynamically from the YouTube trigger so the system knows exactly which video to process. Step 3 is where the real magic happens, as you use an AI module like Claude or OpenAI to draft the actual blog content. You need a solid content prompt that instructs the model to use the transcript, pick a target keyword, and structure the post with H2 and H3 headers. Tell the model to generate key takeaways and an intro that hooks, and remind it to include a natural call to action back to your channel. Step 4 involves routing your outputs so you can test them before they go live, perhaps by creating a draft in Google Docs first. I prefer setting the post status to draft in WordPress, which allows me to manually tweak the keywords and formatting before publishing. Now, let's talk about Vizard and why it is a different class of tool when it comes to turning long videos into social gold. Vizard takes that same long video and intelligently identifies the moments that are most likely to perform as short-form content. The 3 features I love are the auto-editing to extract viral clips, the auto-scheduling, and the centralized content calendar. It cuts down on the manual labor significantly by finding the quotes and highlights that a human editor might accidentally overlook. Operationally, you can wire Vizard directly into your automation by calling its API after your YouTube trigger fires. Ask Vizard to prioritize moments with high energy or specific named entities, and queue them up for your social media schedule. A practical tip I have learned is to always keep your WordPress posts in draft status until you have checked the formatting. The AI draft is rarely perfect out of the box, so you will want to add featured images and maybe drop in internal links. Another pro tip is to use the blog post to amplify those short clips by embedding them directly within the article. This creates a beautiful cross-promotional loop. Readers find the short content, visit your channel, and watch the long video. When it comes to cost, use cheaper models for your drafts and testing, and save your higher-end LLM usage for the top-performing episodes. Finally, remember that automation should be there to speed up the grind, not to replace your creative spark entirely. I have bundled all my prompts, module settings, and a JSON template into a single package for you to download. Just drop a comment or reach out if you want that template, and I will be happy to share it with you. Once you wire this up, you will be amazed at how quickly your content ecosystem fills with discoverable posts and snackable clips. If you liked this walkthrough, hit like and subscribe for more workflows, and let me know what you want to see a deep dive on next. Have fun building your automation, and I will see you in the next one.